Yes. Shh. Wait, I'm not expecting a package. So it could be only 3 people: City Hall, NHK, or a Jehovah's Witness. 3 people I don't want to see. The last time the NHK guy was here, he refused to leave. And he didn't even speak English. He kept on trying to use Google Translate. Oh my god, that was so annoying. Don't move. Maybe he won't see us. Wait, why am I whispering to myself in my own thoughts? Thank God he's leaving. Hurry up, I need to get back to the phone call. Good. Alright. Yo, brother, you know, so the NHK man just come check me, dog.
The for real, it's a long time, dog. The music mean everything.
Yeah. Yo.
Are you hearing about that?
No.
What happened? Say what about it, so. Oh, my babe. Oh, what about it, man? Yeah, you know, see the man come link me, Jay.
Right. Look at them catch him too.
Yo,